Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a file to someone on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main screen with various options at the bottom of your interface. In the bottom left corner, tap on Chats. This will take you to your list of conversations where you can see all your ongoing chats and message threads with different contacts. This is essentially your messaging hub within Signal. Now open the conversation with the person you want to send the file to. Simply tap on their name or chat thread to access the conversation window. This brings up your message history with that contact and gives you access to all the messaging features. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Tap on this plus icon to reveal additional options for sending different types of content. This menu is where Signal provides you with various attachment options beyond just text messages. From the menu that appears, tap on File. This option allows you to access your device's file system and send any document, PDF, or other file types directly through Signal. It's particularly useful for sharing important documents, presentations, or any other files you need to send securely. After tapping File, you'll be taken to your file folders where you can browse through your device's storage. Take a moment to navigate through your folders to locate the specific file you want to send. This might be in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or any other location where you've saved files on your device. Once you've found the file you're looking for, tap on it to select it. The file will now be attached to your message and ready to send. You'll see a preview or the file name displayed in your conversation window. Finally, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the Send button. This will immediately send the file to your contact through Signal's encrypted messaging system. The file will be delivered securely and your recipient will be able to download and view it on their end. And that's it. You've successfully sent a file through Signal, taking advantage of its secure file sharing capabilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.